Salmon, your heart and joints' best friend. Craving a delicious way to boost your health? Look no further than salmon. This versatile fish is packed with nutrients that can significantly improve your heart and joint health. Get ready to discover the amazing benefits of this superfood. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that our bodies can't produce on their own. This means we need to get them from our diet. Salmon is an excellent source of these vital nutrients. The key types of omega-3s found in salmon are EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. These play a crucial role in various bodily functions, from brain health to reducing inflammation. Without enough omega-3s, our bodies can't function optimally. Omega-3s are vital for maintaining overall health and well-being. They support everything from cardiovascular function to cognitive performance. Make sure you're getting enough of these essential fatty acids. Omega-3s are incredibly beneficial for your heart health. They work in several ways to keep your cardiovascular system in top shape. Incorporating salmon into your diet can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease. Omega-3s help reduce triglycerides, which are unhealthy fats in the blood. High triglyceride levels can increase your risk of heart disease. By lowering these levels, omega-3s protect your heart. They also help lower blood pressure, maintaining it within a healthy range. High blood pressure puts extra strain on your heart. Omega-3s contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. Omega-3s reduce the risk of blood clots, preventing stroke and heart attack. Blood clots can block arteries and lead to serious health problems. These fatty acids help keep your blood flowing smoothly. Furthermore, omega-3s improve cholesterol levels by boosting HDL, good cholesterol, and lowering LDL, bad cholesterol. Healthy cholesterol levels are essential for a healthy heart. Salmon can help you achieve this balance. The overall impact of omega-3s on heart health is significant. Regular consumption can lead to a substantial reduction in the risk of heart disease. Make salmon a regular part of your diet for a healthier heart. Omega-3s are also fantastic for your joint health. Their anti-inflammatory properties can ease pain and improve mobility. If you suffer from joint pain or stiffness, salmon can be a game changer. These fatty acids have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. They help reduce pain and swelling in the joints. This is especially beneficial for people with arthritis or other inflammatory conditions. Omega-3s can reduce inflammation, easing arthritis symptoms. By targeting the root cause of joint pain, they provide long-term relief. Incorporating salmon into your diet can significantly improve your quality of life. They also improve joint mobility, facilitating movement and activity. Stiff joints can limit your ability to perform daily tasks. Omega-3s help keep your joints flexible and functional. Omega-3s reduce stiffness, promoting comfort and flexibility. This allows you to move more freely and without pain. Enjoying activities you love becomes easier with healthy joints. These fatty acids support cartilage health, contributing to overall joint well-being. Cartilage cushions the joints and prevents bone-on-bone friction. Omega-3s help maintain the integrity of this crucial tissue. Aim for at least 2 servings of salmon per week to reap its full benefits. There are countless delicious ways to prepare this versatile fish. Experiment with different recipes to find your favorites. Grilling salmon is a classic and delicious cooking method. It's quick, easy, and imparts a smoky flavor. Serve it with your favorite vegetables for a complete and healthy meal. Baking salmon is another easy and healthy option. Simply season it with herbs and spices and bake until flaky. This method preserves the fish's natural moisture and flavor. Pan-searing salmon creates a crispy skin that's irresistible. Sear the skin side down until golden brown and crispy. This adds a delightful texture to your meal. Salmon is incredibly versatile and can be added to salads, pasta, or enjoyed as sushi. Get creative and explore different culinary possibilities. The options are endless. If you don't eat fish, consider omega-3 supplements. These supplements can provide the same benefits as eating salmon. Consult with your doctor to determine the right dosage for you. Beyond heart and joint health, omega-3s offer numerous other benefits. They support brain health, improve skin health, and contribute to overall well-being. Salmon is truly a nutritional powerhouse. Omega-3s are essential for brain health, supporting cognitive function and memory. They play a crucial role in brain development and maintenance. Eating salmon can help keep your mind sharp. They also improve skin health, reducing inflammation and promoting a healthy complexion. Omega-3s can help alleviate skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Enjoy radiant and healthy skin with salmon. When choosing salmon, emphasize selecting sustainable options. This helps protect our oceans and ensure that future generations can enjoy this valuable resource. Look for certifications that indicate sustainable fishing practices. Look for the Marine Stewardship Council (MSC) label. This certification ensures that the salmon you're buying comes from a sustainable fishery. Support responsible fishing practices by choosing MSC certified products. Salmon is a nutritional powerhouse packed with omega-3 fatty acids, offering incredible benefits for your heart and joint health. From reducing inflammation to improving cardiovascular function, this superfood is a must-have in your diet. Make a conscious effort to include salmon in your meals regularly. Ready to experience the amazing benefits of salmon? Start incorporating it into your diet today. Share this video with your friends and family to spread the word about this incredible superfood. Subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips, and let us know in the comments how you like to prepare your salmon.